off-chain deposits are now available on Hamster tokens. Guys, this is a quick guide on how you can deposit the Hamster tokens to your Bybit exchange. So if you are among those searching for this online, make sure you stay with me and watch this video from the beginning to the end, so as you watch how you can withdraw your Hamster tokens to your Bybit exchange. And then I'm going to show you simple mistakes you are not to make while trying to withdraw your tokens to your Bybit. So let's go straight to Telegram now. So when you come to Telegram, what you have to do is just to open the Hamster bot, which you mind, and you can see that off-chain deposits are now available. This is announced on Friday 13th of September. So you can now claim your tokens straight to your Binance or Bybit exchange. You can see the tokens I have claimed so far. So I've earned these tokens so far on Hamster Kombat. So what you have to do is to come down to this Airdrop page. So you can see Airdrop down here. Just click on it and then you can see that this token will be launched on September 26th, 2024. So just scroll down. You can see that you can be able to deposit on Binance Exchange, OKX, Bybit, wallet in Telegram, and then EBI exchange. So you can also see on-chain airdrop. So now you might want to know which of the exchange here is okay for you to deposit your tokens to. You can see that we have Binance, OKX. Now I'm advising you now not to use OKX exchange because OKX is no longer available in Nigeria. So this is only for Nigerians. If you're in Nigeria, do not use OKX exchange because you are going to lose all the tokens you have mined for so long. So avoid OKX exchange if you are in Nigeria. So you can decide to use Binance exchange or Bybit exchange. And then also you might decide to use wallets in Telegram. Now there is another disadvantage in wallets in Telegram. If you use wallets in Telegram, you are going to be among those that will claim their own last, because they first of all reward those who claim their own through Binance and then Bybit. And then for those who claimed to wallet in Telegram, they are going to be rewarded at last. So which means it is better to claim to Bybit or to Binance. So I'll be showing you how you can claim it to Bybit exchange. So to claim to Bybit exchange, you can see Bybit here. If you have Binance, you can use this Binance exchange. So this is Bybit down here. So click on Bybit, and then when you click on Bybit, you can see this. Do you have an Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Hamster. Now, if you don't have it, do not click on this. I leave a link on the description of this video. You can use the link to create your Bybit account. Now, if you already have it, just click on this. Yes, I have it. But remember, you must verify your Bybit account, right? The Bybit wallet or your Bybit exchange must be verified before you can be able to claim this token. Otherwise, you are not going to receive the token if your account is not verified. So if your account is not verified, make sure you verify it. If you don't have Bybit, you can use the link in the description of this video and then create an account and then verify it with your NIN or your BVN, depending on the one you wish to use it and verify it. So next thing you have to do is to click on yes, I have it. So when you click on it now, you're going to see that September 13th, 14 UTC off-chain deposits start. Now on September 21st, 8 o'clock UTC off-chain deposits ends. So this is going to end on 21st of this month. So if you are doing it, if you did not do this within this 13th 21st, so this is going to end and you cannot be able to withdraw this again to any exchange. So September 24th, 18 UTC Bybit confirmation/decline. So make sure you do this. I want to show you now very correctly, otherwise your own will be declined, right? On 24th, your own will be declined if you did not do it correctly. So what you need to do, this is Bybit UID, and then this is Hamster deposit address, and this is memo. So since you already have Bybit account, now go to your Bybit account, which is what I want to show you how to do now. We are going to Bybit account, and you can see this is my Bybit here. I'm going to open it. When you open Bybit account, the first thing they ask you is your UID. So to copy your UID, we are going to see this head icon here. We're going to see this profile icon. So to copy your UID, click on this icon here. When you click on it, you are going to see this. Of course, you can see main account UID. You can see UID down here. So you can use pen to copy this, or you can just use pen to write this thing out. So if you look at this place, I have my UID 1193700841. So I advise you use pen to write this thing out and make sure this is very correct. Make sure you don't make mistake while you are copying this. So I would have said you should copy it like this and then minimize and go to Telegram. But once you do that, you see that you are going to start afresh, right? As you can see it, you are going to start afresh. You can see we have to start afresh. So I advise you use your pen to copy it down, and then you come down to Telegram and then paste all of them all together. So let's go and continue. So once you copy, you write down your UID here and you are done with this. But remember, for you to be able to claim this, make sure that you are verified. You can see this verified button here. So this means that my Bybit is verified. If you don't have this verified, that means you are not going to receive this token. So make sure it is verified. So once you copy this now, the next thing you have to click on this deposit here, right? You can click on deposit now. So when you click on deposit, you are going to see P2P trading, zero fee, buy with NGN, deposit crypto. So don't choose this first two, choose this last one, which is deposit crypto. So when you click on deposit crypto now, it's going to take you to this page. Now in this page now, you can see this search bar up here. So click on this search bar and search for HMSTR. So when you search for HMSTR, you're going to see Hamster down here. So you can see this is Hamster Kombat. Then click on this Hamster Kombat here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. So in this page now, you can see turn. So click on this turn here. When you click on turn, the next thing is you see this pop-up. Click on OK. So when you click on OK, you are going to see that this is your Hamster wallet address and this is the tag memo. So what you do here is also use pen to write down this tag memo. Since you have write down your UID, also use pen to write this tag memo here. So let me just quickly write it down. I have 1202622. So when you write it down, make sure you did not make any mistake. Remember, do not make mistake. Cross check as many times as you can to make sure that there's no mistake, because if you make any mistake, that means it's going to decline on 24th and cannot be able to receive this token in your Bybit, right? Then once you copy this down, click on these two box here. When you click on these two box, you are going to copy the wallet address. You can see copied successfully. So you are not to write down this one, you have to copy it. This is the only one you are going to copy. Now use your ID and then also use pen to write your tag memo. Then copy this one by clicking on these two box here. So when you click on it, it's going to copy. So when you copy it, you are done with Bybit. Then we go back to Telegram. So now we are back to Telegram. So you can click on the Telegram, the Hamster bot to open. All right, so once it's open, come down again to this airdrop here so you can see it. So when you come down to this airdrop, you are going to scroll. Remember, we are to deposit on Bybit exchange, so you have to click on this arrow here. So click on this Bybit exchange. So when you click on it, you can see this yes, I have it, because we have already copied our details from Bybit. So you click on yes, I have it. Then in this first place is where you have to put that UID that you have copied with your pen. So I'm sure it is close to you. So now you are going to put your UID which you copied with pen. It is all number. So I'm going to put my own now. I have copied my own with my pen and it is close to me here. So you watch me, let me put my UID. Then this is where you have to paste the address which you copied. So long press and then click on paste. This is the address I copied. Do not attach anything to it. Once you paste it, come down to memo. So in this memo now, you also put that memo which you also copied with pen. I'm going to put my own memo in this place, right? Make sure you did not make any mistake. Cross check as many times as you can to make sure that there is no mistake, else you are going to lose the token. It's going to decline if you make any mistake in this place. So cross check after putting. And then once you are done, click on save and choose, right? You can click on save and choose. So once you are done this way, you can see well done, stay tuned with updates. So you click on thanks. So you have connected your wallet now. So once you do this now, next thing you are going to do is request to Bybit was sent, right? Request to Bybit was sent, which means it has been successful, right? And you can see it has been ticked good. You see it, this is good. Then the token will be sent to your Bybit exchange on 24th of this month, right? So if you do not make any mistake, the token will be sent to your Bybit wallet on 24th of this month. So this is successful. So guys, I believe you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then share this video to your friends who are finding it difficult to withdraw their tokens to your Bybit wallet. You can also check the next video. I made a video how you can connect your Binance exchange. So if there's any of your friends that is looking for how to connect or withdraw to Binance, you can send the link to the video to the person, then the person can watch it and then learn how to deposit on Binance. So make sure you share this video to your friends so they can watch it and then learn how to deposit.